So you just got your new VPS and you're excited to use it. Thankfully, RackNerd activates all their VPSs instantly, so I'm going to show you how to log into your VPS. So in the billing panel, we click Services, we click on our VPS, and we click on Control Panel down here. Now we need to know the username and password, so this will have been sent to you in an email, but if you have misplaced it or it hasn't come through, you can go back to the client area here, click on View Email Log, scroll down to the bottom, or well, in my case to the bottom, and find something that says KVM VPS login information. Click that, and you're presented with the SolusVM control panel access. And then under here, you'll see the username. So we'll copy that, and click that, put that in there. Oh, it's gone missing, so we'll go there. And that's our password. Don't worry, this will have changed by the time you view this video, so don't try anything. Alright, so now we're logged into our VPS. We can manage it, and as you can see, you can reboot, shut down, reinstall, log into VNC. You can also, if you click on network, you can edit the reverse DNS, and amongst a lot of other settings you can do right from the home of this VPS control panel. If you have any questions, get in contact with us either via phone or via our support ticket, and we're more than happy to help. Have a good one.